Here I have XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, just go to the upper bar and here you can find the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set a schedule for it based on your percentage, like at which battery percentage this mode will be activated automatically. Let it be 25%, for example. And you can also set it to turn off automatically if your device is up to 19% charged. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.